Hi, we're Lathe to the Grave. You may remember us from all of the other videos that we've done like this. So far, there's been one. Today, we will be hurting ourselves with Ed's Bangers. I know. He's made what he calls his hottest sausage. It has Naga Mash from the Portsmouth Chilli Mash company. They are in Portsmouth, just like us. Hence the link. Yeah, they've put some chili in a sausage. They've put some cheese in a sausage, and we thought, after our last video of us hurting ourselves with super spicy nuts went so well, why not do it with some spicy sausages? There's a challenge as well. So if you would like to go and tell them we're the best.
So Facebook, you just search for Ed's Bangers. He's the one from Portsmouth, you'll find it that way. Website is eds-bangers.com, I think. The challenge is to eat 2 sausages. And we thought that's a bit weak, to be fair. So we bought 2 packs each, 24 sausages. We're going to see how far we get, but it's definitely going to be more than 2 each.
Cool, yeah. Let's sausage.
Cool, I'm going to be dainty.
Cool.
There you go. So they are spicy. I'll give them that. You don't agree?
Not so much I don't agree, but I'm of the I will eat a sausage in 2 bites rather than I will nibble and talk about it. It's a little spicy. Oh, someone's hiccuping already.
So I feel like the hiccup's gonna let me down. It didn't taste that spicy, but my body's reflexes suggest that it might be.
This one has a bit of seed.
I'm embarrassed, to be honest.
I don't know about you, but I'm full.
Yeah.
Let's throw these in the bin. Only kidding, folks.
Yeah.
Sausage 2.
Tea. So I figure if I just keep eating, I'll just go past the hiccups. I'll just get through them.
I suppose so. I'm sorry if this is not interesting for you, but I'm undoubtedly going to fast forward a lot of this. That's the thing. Some chilies, they're a grower, not a shower. I'm feeling this is a bit of a grower. I'm starting to get the heat about now.
It's the difference between this and the wings challenge we did, where I came second, by the way.
And you came first in the nuts, out of 2.
First in the nuts. I came second in the hot wings challenge, which was done by
I'm gonna go for
the
number 3.
merchant house. But you could work your way up to it. Whereas this is just hot from the start. I'm really worried we're not filming as well. If I put the paranoia in you.
No, it's filming.
I don't know if we were meant to be allowed to drink or not. I was meant to check the rules before we started this.
We've done 2. I didn't drink before 2.
I did.
Cool, so that's 3 down for me, I think, or are you on your third?
That's my third.
Oh. I can't remember how many
That
I've
is
had.
3 for you.
I've had 3. They're pretty hot. It's not bad.
I did say the hiccups would subside as well, didn't I? Well, it's like you're storming ahead. There's going to be no dainty way to edit this either. are going to be snotty. You've already seen the hiccups. You know where it's at. And once again, this is a challenge where we have not lined our stocks. We're fucking storming ahead though, man.
I'm very hungry.
So you've done 5?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You done 5.
4.
Yeah.
This is number 5. Oh. That one's still hot.
Uh-huh.
Very oven hot. I don't want to quit, but I feel I might need to soon. Is that how you feel? Huh. I think I'm out.
Really?
I genuinely think I'm out. I'm thinking.
I think in 6 is a good number.
Is that what you're on?
Yeah.
It's 4.5.
It's playing. Looks like a microlight.
Disturbing the peaceful neighbourhood. As if I needed punctuation on that.
If you've ever seen Fly Away Home, where the child teaches the I believe they're geese or ducks to fly, it's the same sort of thing that she uses. So flavour-wise, what do you think of these?
They're nice. They're a dense sausage. Good quality sausage. You?
Yeah, they're okay. They're a nice sausage. I think they're having cheese in it kind of lets it down. It's made it very greasy. There's a lot.
Would just be nice to not have cheese in the sausage. I will agree with that.
Yeah.
It did go mental under the grill. I almost started a fire.
And aside from that, not everything needs to have cheese in it.
But apart from that, very yummy sausage. Ed's Bangers, well done. It was hotter than we anticipated. We bought 2 packs each because normally food labelled as extreme, because I'm from Austin Powers, food labelled as extreme isn't. Like if you buy spicy food from most places, it's not spicy. It's spicy on a conventional level. It's not spicy for people who, do stupid challenges all the time. These, I think challenging people to do 2 of these is weak, but 2 packets is also fucking ridiculous. So we got ahead of ourselves there. We will check ourselves for next time we do a spicy challenge. But cheers. We hope you enjoyed watching us.
There you go.
We hope you enjoyed watching us eat some sausages. Check out Ed's Bangers. Small businesses in Portsmouth. Fucking support them as much as you can, man.
And if you want us to eat anything else spicy, hit us up.
Yeah, more challenges, please. Anything. Preferably spice. But we'll do whatever challenge you want to send us. Ed's Bangers, we best win this bloody challenge that you're doing. That's all I've got to say. Go and buy some records. We're Lathe for the grave.
Lathe for the grave. Well, links will be about.
Peace out.
Aside from that, internet.